How to renew your California driver's license online.
Hello and welcome to our video. Today we will be discussing the requirements and eligibility criteria for renewing a California driver's license online. Renewing your driver's license can seem complex, but with our step-by-step guide, we'll make it as simple as possible for you.
What are the basic requirements for online renewal?
To renew your California driver's license online, there are a few basic requirements that you must meet. 1. You must hold a valid California driver's license. 2. Your current license must not be suspended or revoked. 3. You must not have any outstanding traffic tickets. Please note that not all types of licenses can be renewed online. For example, commercial licenses often require in-person renewal.
What are the eligibility criteria for online renewal?
Now, let's discuss the specific eligibility criteria for renewing your California driver's license online. 1. You must be between the ages of 18 and 70. 2. Your previous renewal was done in person. 3. You do not have a change in your vision or a new medical condition that affects your driving ability. 4. You have not changed your personal information, such as your name. 5. Your current driver's license must have been issued less than 2 years ago. If you meet all of these criteria, you are eligible to renew your driver's license online.
What information is needed for online renewal?
Before you start the online renewal process, make sure you have the following information ready. 1. Your current California driver's license number. 2. Your social security number. 3. A method of payment, credit or debit card, or a checking account for electronic funds transfer. Once you have all this information, you can log into the DMV website and follow the instructions for online renewal. And that's all there is to it. By meeting these requirements and eligibility criteria, you can renew your California driver's license online without the hassle of a trip to the DMV. We hope this guide has been helpful, and thank you for watching.